Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon missing in Windows 11. The first solution here is run the internet troubleshooter. So just need to go to the system settings, and here type settings, and then click on the system. And from here, scroll down, then find the troubleshoot, and then click on other troubleshooters. And from here, just need to find the network and internet, and then click on this run button. And then it will show you this message shows up. As you can see on your screen, it will give you some recommendations on how you can fix the problem. You can then restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, like here, and restart your modem, router, or access point. So you can follow these recommendations to fix the problem. The second solution here is to check if the Wi-Fi adapter is disabled. So you just need to press Windows plus R key button on your keyboard, and then we're gonna type here ncpa.cpl, and then click on enter. And from here, as you can see, you'll find all your network adapters, including the Wi-Fi adapter. So basically, right-click on that, then select Enable. Now once done, you can now see the Wi-Fi connection on the taskbar. Third solution is reinstall Wi-Fi adapter. So again, click on the Start menu icon or go here on the search box at the bottom and try to search for the device manager. So type right here, device manager, and then click on that control panel. And then here, you just need to go on the network adapters, and then you just need to find your Wi-Fi driver. So basically what you're going to do is just right click on that network driver. So basically right here, so right click on your mouse, and then you have some options right here. So basically you just need to click on the uninstall device, and you just need to uninstall this driver right here and just need to restart the PC. And when the PC starts, your PC will reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. Now if the problem persists, let's go in the next solution, update the driver. So here, go back to the search box and type device manager. Again, open up this app right here and go to network adapters. Right click on the Wi-Fi driver, and then here you just basically click on the update driver button. And then you'll find here the two options, search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So basically here, just need to search automatically and then just need to restart your computer. Now once you reopen your computer, it will automatically update your driver. Now the next solution here is network reset. So go to the settings and then click on the network and internet. And then here, click on advanced network settings at the bottom. And then you just have to select the network reset. So all you need to do right here, when you click on this network reset, just click on this reset now button and yes to confirm your action. Now the last solution here is by resetting your network using the command prompt. So again, go to the search box at the bottom and you just have to type the CMD to open up the command prompt app. So here, just go here and click on run as administrator. And then all you need to do, copy and paste the command on the description below, and then click enter, and then restart your computer. Now a message shows up here, you just need to click on allow, and it should be fixed the issue. So that's how you basically fix Wi-Fi icon missing in Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.